I just had to sneeze. I think you're smoothing out.
What was that, sorry?
I think you're sneezing. I don't know.
What happened?
Sneeze.
Oh, you sneezed something out.
Yeah, I don't know.
Do you think it's gone now? What happened just then?
I think it's gone.
So that thing that was moving around your head is gone?
Yeah.
You sneezed it out?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And how's the stomach going?
It's so feeling good.
Yeah. All right. Good job. So you're feeling good at the moment? How are you feeling?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm feeling good.
All right. So how would you explain this to someone? Yeah. How you started the experience and how you're feeling now?
I started nervous. Now I feel calm.